One of the main reasons that Sue and I started a company named Capstone Leadership Solutions is that we strongly believe in the role of leadership, especially middle management leadership and the senior leadership, and their ability to create just awesome results in a community. Most of our work is done at the critical access or small nonprofit community hospital level. And when we go in and assess the workplace, we meet with physician leaders, employee groups. We also meet with leadership groups, and we always tell them our purpose, our mission is to inspire positive change one leader at a time. And how we got that purpose and mission is from nursing leaders and other leaders in healthcare coming up to us at our summits and our boot camps. And what they would say to us is, "You've given me hope. You've given me hope that it can all be done. That really you've inspired me to know that as long as I take one day at a time, that I work proactively in my role, that it all can get done, and that I can promote positivity in my work departments, that I can promote change and lasting change in my department." And to us, that just says it all. Nothing makes us feel better than for a leader to come to us and say, "I was going to quit. Before I came to this conference, I had given my CEO my 4-week notice, and now I'm not quitting. I just called him and told him I'm staying, and I know I can get it done." There's hope, and it all comes from inspiring positive change, one leader at a time.
With the time-consuming challenges of leading day-to-day operations, leaders often find it nearly impossible to proactively work towards attaining goals and making sustainable, measurable results. Over the last 10 years, Capstone Leadership Solutions has worked to develop a framework of accountability and alignment that will assist your leaders and your organization in gaining controls over your results.
Our company's vision is to inspire positive change, one leader at a time. We say this because positive change can be made one leader at a time. Leaders who invest 2 days at a Capstone Leadership Summit come away armed with proactive, positive, and results-oriented leadership skills that they can begin implementing right away. Every level of healthcare leader with any level of experience or education will learn and be inspired. The experience and follow-up is enhanced when a team of leaders from the same organization attend. The learning modules, locations, experience, and network are unlike any other seminars you have ever attended. Training content includes leadership, accountability, and alignment, employee engagement and empowerment, quality, safety, and high reliability, service excellence, as well as solutions for finance and growth. We also stress community-mindedness to increase your organization's footprint in your community. The Capstone Leadership Summit is offered 10 times a year in beautiful locations across the United States. Our website lists all events with a special invitation just for you and your team.
We realize the synergy that's created when training a group of leaders from the same organization together on the same topics. When we assist you with customized on-site training, we will take the time to know your unique situation and training needs as we develop and deliver the training you need to create extraordinary, measurable results. We have decades of healthcare leadership and training experience. Your audience will be inspired to implement their new knowledge. We can provide training events on a broad array of customized topics. On our website, you'll find a list of our most requested topics and information on how to engage us in your next leadership training event.
A partnership with Capstone allows you to realize and live the full scope of the framework for alignment and accountability. It comes in 3 steps. We assess, we plan with you, and we help you execute. First, under the assessment. The assessment we do is 2 days of walking your patient flow, analyzing data, and meeting with teams of leaders, physicians, and staff. By the time we are done, you will truly feel as though you have gained a partner on your journey to excellence and will be like part of your hospital's family. The next step is planning. We leave your organization and provide you with a customized work plan that takes into consideration the needs of your specific organization. Then we execute. We provide both on-site and remote support for your journey to excellence. A partnership with Capstone Leadership Solutions is truly that, a partnership. Don't take our word for it, though. The results of our partner hospitals speak for themselves. Go to our website partnership page and see their amazing sustainable results yourself.
I think we've moved leaps and bounds in our journey from good to great. That was one of the first things, I think, when I first spoke with you ladies, was moving our journey from good to great. And, I wear it as a badge of honor now to be called the Capstone Queen. I'm really proud of that. And, I can see it in our staff's, in their faces, and they're very proud of the initiatives that we've put into place. They have ownership over it. And, although it's been a short amount of time, just a little over a year, not quite a year and a half, they have ownership and pride in what we've tasked them with and we've charged them with. It's really been exciting to be part of that.
I'm getting to work together with a group of folks that are the people within the organization that are most passionate about seeing us go from good to great. And so when you're teaming together with a group of folks that's what they're living to do, that just makes working together excellent, because you have the passion for doing it and you're working together as a team to use evidence-based practices to get there.
I love the big stage. I love the challenge of connecting with an audience to not only deliver a message, but to truly engage them and motivate them to act on that message. My experience as a leader, trainer, and registered nurse has provided me with stories that audience members can truly connect with. These stories help to cement the message I am speaking. I can also speak to a broad range of audiences, from frontline staff to physicians to executives, on a large range of topics. On our website, you'll find several examples of my work. I'd love to hear what you think. At Capstone Leadership Solutions, our vision is to inspire positive change, and I'd love to inspire your next audience.
While much of my work with Capstone Leadership Solutions puts me in front of big audiences, I truly enjoy the setting of the boardroom and the retreat locations where strategic options are debated. Strategic plans are designed to close the gap between today's situation and your desired state of excellence. And since the most successful strategies are developed and executed with stakeholder involvement, it's exciting to engage the various constituents in this process. I truly enjoy using my 2 decades of planning experience to help organizations develop a strategy that will come alive in their entire organization and community. I consider it a privileged role to be engaged in strategic planning. In particular, I have a passion for not-for-profit healthcare organizations and independent medical practices, and a very special interest in rural healthcare. At Capstone Leadership, our vision is to inspire positive change. And where best to start than in crafting core strategies for excellence? If you are seeking help in your strategic planning efforts, please contact me to discuss how I can be of service.
Don't give up. Don't lose sight of the goal. Do not give up. Stick with your goals. Stick with the resources that you've been given. Stick with your action plans, your accountability meetings, your sacred service time, all of these things that we've learned from Capstone Leadership Solutions. Stick with it. Don't give up. There may be some naysayers, but don't let them get into your head. You can only, you give them power if you react to them. Just don't let it happen. Be that positive change that can happen. And I know it can happen in our facility. I've seen it happen. I've seen our scores move in so many different areas. And that would be my best advice, is just don't give up. Don't ever give up.